So I am back. I figured it out. I was even able to change my Facebook page's name to Jay's World because I had it at Jay, and I need to make it public. I don't know why I'm not making it public. Like I said, I'm not ready yet. So I'm gonna screen record and show you guys what my page looks like. Y'all can find it, but if you guys really want me to make it public, y'all let me know and I'll do that, because like I said, I need to make it public. I don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah. So this is my page that I created. It's easy for you guys to do it. A page. I said I was a bit confused, but I understand. It's a page that you make on Facebook to promote your stuff. They said this helps for your YouTube videos. I'm gonna get into it, but just not yet. So this is the page that I made. I have my banner there. Sorry, I was going up too fast. You can invite people. I haven't invited anybody yet because the page is private. You can create an ad. Oh, you can put ads on it. You can promote your page, as you can see. See, promote your page, get more, visit website, get more leads. Accept. I'm not even reading that. I should, but whatever. Your contact information, which is your name. Get more leads. It says from a creator. Get leads on Facebook, and that's it. And then you press next, but we ain't doing that. Let's go back. Yes. Promote. You can promote. This is how you promote your page. How do you want the ad to look? So this, you could description how you want the ad to look. I put this description I did in my bio. You could put this picture, all that, audience, people who you want to see, and how old. Wait. This is basically what I had on what is called my Instagram, because I have, if you guys didn't know, they have a creator content page for Instagram now. I have that. You guys didn't know, but it's on private. I know I need to stop putting stuff on private, but I have haters. But I don't know, a lot of you are gonna say haters are what, because I always come for you guys too when you guys say you have haters. Haters are what make you poppin', okay? But for me, I just don't want to stay on low key for a bit. But yeah. And then over here it says estimated daily, so daily results. So these are how many people are gonna come and view your ads or whatever you're doing. It's gonna be 422 to 1.2k, and then pages like 7 to 26, and then your budget could be 15 Canadian. I'm Canadian, you know, or $3 a day. I don't have money. I wish I had money. I would have set it up and do for you guys. So it says $3. So if you guys don't want to do Google ads to promote, I could do a next video for that too, to show you guys. But yeah, it's like Google ads basically. Then that, you add that, it tells you, you set the days, like right here, you set the day you want. And then here is the end date and how long you want it to run for. And then that's it. You can see all the previews and all that. We're gonna go back. Automatic audience. Let's create a personal plan. Answer a few questions. We ain't gonna do that. And then there's my page. Why is it not going back? Okay, I guess I gotta press back. So as you can see, it says add more information, because I need to. How does Facebook work? It says people reach. It tells you right here, these are inside your post engagement, post likes. Obviously I didn't do anything yet. And then boost is unavailable. Why? Because my page is not public. I need to make it public now that I fixed everything. I don't know what this is. What is this? Pages. Oh, this notification right here is telling me that my page was able, I was able to change my page's name. Sometimes it takes long for you to get an approval of your name change, but I got mine right away. I need to put an ad so people can come find me, but I haven't done that. It says view as a visitor. So if somebody comes on my page right now, but it's public, see, it says this is what your page looks like as a visitor. So when people come to my page, this is how it's gonna look like. I said 0 people following me. Why? Because I didn't make it public. And then I finally added video creator. This is why I didn't make it public, because I still didn't know what I was doing. I needed more information, but I got all the information that I need, so I can make it public now. And then it says page transparency. Oh my god, page created. I created this page in 2017. I was just making a page. I told you I like to learn stuff and do whatever. So I made the page in 2017. October 15th. That was the same year that I made my YouTube channel. So I made my YouTube channel in March 2017, and then how many months later? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 7 months later I made this, and I didn't use it. Why? Because I didn't know much information. So I was already ahead of the game, but I paused because I didn't know much information, so I stopped. But I'm proud of myself because at least I started. I didn't give up. See? And then it says add your business to your page. I can't believe I made this 2017. Wow. And not even active, nothing. At this point now, I should motivate myself to make it active and start promoting. What am I doing? And then I can block people from the page. I can share all that. Features add up to 5 videos at the top of your page, at your home page. You can choose the video you want. And then the photos, you're not going to see all of that. Who cares? And then message, I don't have, but I don't know what this is. I never downloaded the thing. Oh, I have message. Oh, excuse me, y'all don't need to see that. I'm gonna block. I didn't know. So if you go on Facebook on a desktop, you automatically get Messenger. I didn't know. I thought they took that out, but okay. Anyways, these are the resource tools. So this is your business resource. Raise money. Keep yourself safe and involved. As you can see that. Yada, yada, yada. I don't need to show you the rest because, you know, there's my inbox. Is inbox going to really show your inbox? Okay, who cares? So these are the inbox of people who message me. And then it says all, meaning my messenger. And then it says Facebook, Instagram. So if it's connected, that's it. But we ain't going to that because you guys don't need to see my information or whatever. And then it says Creator Studio. So Creator Studio now. This is the information I was telling you guys about. It says you can manage your uploads and library. You can see all that, blah, blah, blah. See the pages that matter to you. Control what you see. This page, just you pick and up here. You haven't posted any videos. I'm not posting anything yet. Next. You master the home page and blah blah blah. So right here you can see, you can connect it to your Instagram. You can see the insights. You can go live, but we ain't doing that. Your library. Oh, the library that I have. And then it says 3-second minute video, 1 minute video, engagement, the date. What is that? Oh, the dates, the time you posted. You can track. You can organize. Yada yada yada. So all this here, all your posts, the date you publish, your schedules, your drafts, your expiring, the stories. Oh my god, there's stories in there. Videos you can cross post. There's a playlist. Oh, playlist like Facebook. There's series, there's clips. Oh my god, there's insights. There's monetization, which is right there. And they're gonna tell me I don't qualify. You met the to apply, complete the you meet the criteria to apply, complete set up, paid online. I'm not setting up for that. How many people you can stream? It says eligible. You have to have. So in order for you to stream, you need to have 10,000 followers. And like I said, 30,000 1-minute views and 3-minute videos in the last 60 days, like I was telling you. So, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, there's going to be brand collabs manager. They finally have that. So that's all here in this tab. So it says best for, and then creators, the loyalty following. So they're gonna show you who are the people who are loyal to you. So your loyal fans, as you guys seen. It says 15,000 post engagement or 180,000 minutes viewed or 30,000 1-minute views or 3-minute videos in the last 30 days. And then there's the fan subscription, like I told you. Create a subscription for your page to earn a monthly income. Choose a monthly paid. So this right here is a fan subscription. Like I said, I didn't know. Now I know you have to pay. So I can have my fans subscribe to me and you can see more content or exclusive content, you know. And then it says the rights. I can't read it because my page is unavailable. Why? Because I didn't make it public. And then that's it. There's my live dashboard that I was telling you guys about. I can't see it because, oh, I can. Okay. There's my goals, my current stream, moderator dashboard, page, view, achievements, new to game streaming. Oh, you can live stream your gaming on there. There's your status. You can make polls. So it's like the community tab. Just so you guys know, they're taking out the community tab off YouTube soon at the end of the month. So yeah. So that's everything. And then it says pages. This is my page. And then people roles, which is me. And you can add people to your thing. I'm the admin to my page. So yeah, that is basically it. Let me stop recording. I learned what I could do with my Facebook. Oh my god, my phone, what is it called? My laptop is dying. I finally learned what I could do with my Facebook and how to promote my videos. So yeah, I hope this video was great for y'all. Sorry for it being long, but I had to show you guys everything, what I learned and what my page looks like. I'm gonna make it public. I don't know, like I told you, I'm a little scared to make it public because of haters. But yeah, like I said, I need to get out of that state and just promote it. Maybe you guys should give me some encouragement in the comment section to create it, and then I will. And then I'll be back on Facebook. So yeah. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Please use this tips and advice that I gave y'all. I really hope this helps you. And yeah, if you guys want to know more, in the comment section again. But yeah, I'm talking too much. Sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, do all that jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is going to be in 30 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, bye y'all.